Best ways to learn Flutter technology. Are you struggling to find the best ways to learn Flutter? Well, Flutter is an open source UI software development toolkit created by Google, and it has become one of the most popular frameworks for building cross-platform applications. With its ability to deliver natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase, Flutter appeals to both new and experienced developers. If you are looking to learn Flutter, then you have surely landed on the right video. In this video, we have discussed the best ways to learn Flutter. So, let's get going, understanding the basics. Before jumping into Flutter's technology, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts of programming and the Dart language, which is used by Flutter technology. Learn Dart. Dart is an object-oriented, class-defined language that is familiar to anyone with experience in C-style languages. Official Dart documentation. The official Dart website provides comprehensive guides and tutorials. Dartpad, an online tool provided by Google to write, run, and experiment with Dart code right into your browser. Programming foundations. If you are new to programming, consider taking introductory courses in general programming concepts before diving into Dart and Flutter. Official Flutter documentation and resources. The best place to start learning Flutter is its official documentation, which is thorough and well maintained. Flutter documentation. The Flutter documentation covers everything from installation to advanced topics. Flutter samples. Check out Flutter samples on GitHub for real-life examples of Flutter applications. Online courses and tutorials. Structured courses can significantly streamline the learning process. Here are some highly recommended courses. Some of the free courses include Flutter and Dart, the complete guide on Udemy. This course by Maximilian covers all aspects of Flutter and Dart with plenty of practical examples. The complete Flutter development bootcamp using Dart on Udemy, created by Angela Yu. This course is perfect for beginners and includes a wide variety of exercises and projects. Some of the paid courses include Google Developers Code Labs. Google provides free interactive code labs for Flutter, which are ideal for hands-on learning. Coursera, the app development with Flutter specialization by the University of Toronto, provides in-depth learning from basic to advanced levels. Reading books. Books also provide a structured and detailed approach to learning. Some recommended titles include Flutter for Beginners by Alexandro. This book provides a beginner-friendly introduction to Flutter. Flutter in Action by Eric Windmill, a comprehensive guide to building mobile apps with Flutter suitable for both beginners and experienced developers. Various community and forums. Engaging with the Flutter community can provide immense support, inspiration, and networking opportunities. Here are some platforms to consider. Flutter community on Medium. This is a rich source of tutorials and articles by Flutter enthusiasts. Stack Overflow. This is a great place to ask technical questions and also find solutions. Reddit. Subreddits like Flutter Dev are active with discussions, Q&As, and news. Flutter Community Slack. Join the Slack group to connect with other developers and get help in real time. Practical projects and challenges. Nothing beats hands-on experience. Building projects and participating in challenges can significantly boost your learning. Personal projects. Start with small projects like a to-do list app or a weather app and gradually take on more complex projects. Flutter challenges. Participate in community challenges to test and improve your skills. Websites like Flutter Challenge offer regularly challenges. YouTube channels and live coding. Video tutorials and live coding sessions can provide visual and practical insights into Flutter development. The Net Ninja, it offers a comprehensive tutorial series on YouTube. Fireship. It provides quick, informative videos on Flutter and Dart. Flutter YouTube channel. The official channel provides live streams, tutorials, and talks from various Flutter developers, keeping up to date. Since Flutter is rapidly evolving and staying current with the latest updates and trends is crucial. Flutter Medium blog. Follow the official Flutter blog on Medium for updates, tips, and announcements. Twitter. Follow key influencers and the official Flutter account for real-time updates. Pair programming and mentorship. Working with others can provide new perspectives and accelerate learning. Pair programming. Partner with a more experienced Flutter developer to learn through collaboration. Mentorship. Find a mentor who can guide you, provide feedback, and help navigate complex concepts. Learning Flutter is a rewarding journey that combines theory, practice, and community involvement. By leveraging official documentation, taking structured courses, engaging with the community, and consistently working on practical projects, you can surely master Flutter technology and build robust, cross-platform applications. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, these resources and strategies will set you on the path to becoming proficient in Flutter. We hope this video helped you understand and learn the strategies to learn Flutter technology. What are your thoughts and views about the Flutter technology? Share your thoughts and views with us in the comment section below.